Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Zone 360, and welcome to another English listening practice motivational video. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you felt calm inside? Not happy, not excited, just calm. No fear, no pressure, no noise in your mind. For many people, that moment feels very far away. Life feels loud, thoughts feel heavy, expectations feel endless. And yet in this busy world, there is one power stronger than success, stronger than money, stronger than approval. That power is inner peace. What is inner peace? Inner peace does not mean life is perfect. It does not mean there are no problems. It does not mean everything goes your way. Inner peace means you stay calm even when life is difficult. You trust yourself even when things are unclear. You remain steady even when the world is shaking. Inner peace is not weakness. Inner peace is strength under control. Many people think power means control over others, loud confidence, constant success. But real power is different. Real power is being calm when others panic. Real power is staying kind when others become bitter. Real power is choosing peace instead of reaction. Anyone can react, but it takes strength to remain peaceful. The world tries to steal your peace every day. Deadlines, comparison, social pressure, fear of failure, fear of being left behind. The world teaches you to run faster, achieve more, prove yourself, but it rarely teaches you how to be still. And without stillness, the mind becomes tired, the heart becomes heavy. A tired mind cannot think clearly. When your mind is noisy, you overthink. You doubt yourself. You feel anxious. You make decisions from fear, not clarity. Wisdom. But when your mind is calm, you see clearly, you act wisely, you choose better paths. Peace gives clarity. Clarity gives power. You don't need to fight everything. One of the biggest reasons people lose peace is because they try to fight everything. Every opinion, every comment, every small problem. Not everything deserves your energy. Peace grows when you learn what to accept, what to ignore, what to let go. Letting go is not losing. Letting go is choosing peace. Silence is not empty. Many people fear silence. They feel uncomfortable when things are quiet, but silence is not empty. Silence is full of answers. In silence, you hear your true thoughts. You understand your real needs. You reconnect with yourself. Peace begins when you stop running and start listening. Move forward. Inner peace does not mean stopping your goals. You can grow calmly. You can succeed peacefully. You can improve without pressure. Growth does not need chaos. Success does not need stress. Peaceful effort lasts longer than stressed effort. Stop measuring your worth. Many people lose peace because they measure their worth by money, by status, by other people's approval. But your worth is not something to prove. You are valuable even on days you do nothing, even on days you fail, even on days you feel weak. Peace grows when self-worth is stable. A gentle truth: you don't need to control everything. Life will change, people will change, plans will change. Peace comes when you accept uncertainty without fear. Trust yourself. You will handle what comes. Right now, take a slow breath. Nothing needs to be fixed instantly. Nothing needs to be perfect. You are allowed to slow down. This moment of calm is already power.